Otis. Bless you. You okay?
Hi, Katrina. My baby dog.
As soon as we're done with the video, we'll get these guys in.
Okay.
Yeah.
They did good. Most of them got in the pool. Just a few.
Mingus. Mingus. Down, please. Thank you. What? I wasn't talking to you. Your name is Rufus. I was not talking to you.
You've been good. You've been good. You too.
Oh, got itch.
Huh. You
Hi,
did.
bro.
You did. Took some cookies. You did.
Yeah, we'll get inside soon, babies. Did you go back in the pool, bud? Huh? Go back in the pool. Come on. We're going to pool? Hi, sweetie. Yeah. Come on. We'll go get in the pool again? Come on. Let's go get in the pool. Yay, the pool. We're in the pool. No one's gonna get in the pool? Nobody? Harrison will. Yeah, it's my Harry. You being cool? Yeah, cool. Surprised you guys aren't just lounging. Oh, Riley. Yeah. Oh, yes. You wanna get in? Let me pull your tootsies off. That's a nice breeze, isn't it? Yeah, I bet that feels pretty good. Hi, Mia. Hello. Good boy, Riley. Definitely want to stay hydrated, huh, guys? No! Oh, you don't like being flushed? Kato! Come here, bud. I know, it's nice and cool in here. Yeah. Oh, Otis. Odie, Odie. Oh, Katrina died. Keeled over. Yeah, I know. The floor is nice and cool. I don't blame you guys. Mingus, you find your girlfriend. Huh? Oh, girl. Yeah. Oh, don't fall over now. You're okay. Oh, jeez. I'm not blaming you guys for relaxing. We'll go in a minute. Okay? Okay? No? Bro. Yes, Mia, I see you, honey. Yes, I know, it's been a while.